What if you could solve most problems by asking just one simple question? Not 10 questions, not a complicated system, just one question asked 5 times. This method helped one company become one of the most efficient in the world. It's called the 5 whys technique. Think about this. Your project is late. Your boss is upset. The client is frustrated. So you rush to fix it. You push the work out, and you move on. But 2 weeks later, the same problem happens again. Why? Because you fixed the symptom, not the cause. The 5 whys technique comes from the Toyota production system. It was popularized by Sakichi Toyota. Their idea was simple. If something goes wrong, don't just fix it. Understand why it happened. So they asked one question. Why? Then they asked it again, and again, and again. Usually, after 5 times, you reach the root cause. Let's look at a simple example. Problem. Your phone battery keeps dying during the day. Why? Because too many apps are running. Why are too many apps running? Because you installed several new ones. Why did you install so many apps? Because you're trying different productivity tools. Why are you trying so many tools? Because you feel disorganized. Why do you feel disorganized? Because you don't have a clear daily plan. So the real problem isn't the battery. It's the lack of a daily system. This is the power of the 5 whys. It takes you from a surface problem to the hidden cause, to the real solution. And the best part? You don't need software. You don't need special training. You don't need a big team. You just need to keep asking, why did this happen? Here's how to use it. First, define the problem clearly. Second, ask why it happened. Third, take that answer and ask why again. Repeat this process until you reach a cause you can actually fix. Not a symptom, not an excuse. A real, actionable cause. But most people make one mistake. They stop at the first or second why, and that usually leads to blaming people. The employee messed up. The client was unclear. The system failed. But if you keep asking why, you'll often find the real issue. No training, no process, no maintenance, no planning. And when you fix those, the problem doesn't come back. So the next time something goes wrong, pause. Before you react, before you blame, before you rush to fix it, ask one question. Why did this happen? Then ask it again and again until you reach the truth. Because when you fix the root cause, you don't just solve the problem once. You solve it for good. The 5 whys technique is a root cause analysis method developed within the Toyota production system. It involves repeatedly asking the question why, typically 5 times, to move beyond surface symptoms and identify the underlying cause of a problem. This method is widely used in quality management, manufacturing, business operations, and problem-solving frameworks because it is simple, cost-effective, and easy to apply without specialized tools. If you found this concept useful, and you want more simple explanations of powerful ideas, consider subscribing to the channel. It helps the channel grow, and it helps more people learn these concepts. Thanks for watching.